I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious jam rolls, step by step. First, let's prepare our light sponge cake batter. You'll need 3 large eggs, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Begin by beating the eggs until they are wonderfully light and fluffy. Then slowly incorporate the sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, gently fold in the sifted flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Now that your batter is ready, it's time to bake our delicate sponge. Line a 9 by 13-inch baking pan with parchment paper, ensuring it's lightly greased. Carefully pour the batter into the prepared pan, spreading it thinly and evenly to reach all corners. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is about 355 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the sponge for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until it feels springy to the touch. The key to a perfect jam roll is handling the sponge while it's still warm. As soon as it's out of the oven, immediately invert the sponge onto a fresh piece of parchment paper dusted with powdered sugar. Gently peel away the original baking paper. Now, take about half a cup of your favorite jam, perhaps strawberry or raspberry, and spread it evenly across the entire surface of the warm sponge, leaving a small border. With the jam spread, it's time for the final roll. Starting from one of the shorter sides, carefully and tightly roll the sponge into a log. This needs to be done while it's still warm to prevent cracking. Once rolled, let it cool for about 10 to 15 minutes to set its shape. Then, using a serrated knife, slice your beautiful jam roll into individual portions. For a lovely finish, dust with a little extra powdered sugar before serving. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.